Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how they celebrate the Henna Night here in Turkey. So I am with my husband and my two boys and my mother-in-law and then my sister-in-law. So this is the Henna Night of their cousins, and the next day it will be their wedding party. The venue is located in Otto Pool Club in Kushadasi. So this is what can they offer in the Henna Night, and while you're dancing, then you can just keep eating the nuts, water, coke, whatsoever, drinks, and also the what they call kroabe, or like cookies or biscuits. So let's enjoy the night. Sorry guys, the music is not original anymore due to copyright claims. I have to change the music. This is my first time to attend the Henna Night, and I'm so amazed with the music and people dancing, and they enjoy too much this night. They keep dancing and dancing until the morning. They never stopped dancing. Oh my god. I can't imagine if I'm the one who get the Henna Night, if I can stand dancing until 12 midnight. Hello baby, ayan, so si baby always crying because dahil hindi siya sanay sa malakas na tugtog, kaya lagi siyang umiiyak-iyak. Kay si mami gustong mag-video. Ayan, so ayan na guys, magsisimula na silang mag ng kanilang henna. So they have a dancer. They're so cute with this white clothes. They're like an angel. Ayan na siya guys. Then yun yung mapapangasawa niya doon, yung nakaupo dyan. Tapos yung sa kabila na naman na yan yung mama ng ng pinsan ng asawa ko, at saka yung itong isa na medyo nakabalot yung ulo, yung type talaga na Turkish, itong nanay ng mapapangasawa niya. Ayan, so they are enjoying so much. Mukha siyang sultan ba, yung pinsan ng asawa ko, yung babae, mukha siyang sultan. I like the Henna Night. Sana all. Char. Wala kasi akong ganito guys, kasi civil wedding lang kami ng asawa ko. Yung kasal namin, oo at hindi lang. So wala akong ganitong party, at saka wala rin kalamanan ang bolsa ni Inday ninyo, kaya hindi niya afford ang ganitong wedding party, ang Henna Night. Tapos in the next day guys, yun ang kanyang wedding party, nasa kabilang city. So hindi ako makapunta kasi mahirap pag may dalawang kids. Ayan, so mahirap sa biyahe. Medyo 1 hour and 15 minutes ang biyahe by the car. So hindi kami makapunta. Yung asawa ko lang at si Bienan at saka si sister-in-law ang pupunta. Ayan guys, so panoorin nyo guys ng mabuti guys. Maganda yung Henna Night nila. I think it's depend sa ng Henna Night. Ayan, sumasayaw yung babae. Ang cute talaga niya sa damit. Tapos may paganyan-ganyan pa siya, ikot-ikot. Ayan, ang ganda nila. ayan na guys, magsisimula na sila mag-drawing sa kamay. Yan ang henna nila, yung maglagay ng henna sa kamay. Ayan, so hindi ako nakapaglapit ng kasi nahiya rin ako, medyo nahiya rin si Inday ninyo dahil marami na ang videographer at mga photographer nila. Ayan, so medyo masikip na, wala ka ng maanuhan doon sa gitna. So dito na lang muna ako sa tabi-tabi. Ayan, ganyan guys yung henna night. Ayan guys, so tapos na yung pag-drawing sa kamay ng ikakasal. Ayan, so magsisimula na naman sila magsayaw. Ayan, so ayan, dance till the morning na sila niyan. Time check guys, it's around 10:30 in the evening, pero si baby nag-e-enjoy pa rin. Ayan, so hindi na siya umiiyak. Guys, so sasayaw na ang mga girls sa tapos may mga bit-bit silang parang mga ruling. mga ruling na sila guys sa ikakasal. Tapos yung isa ayan nagdrum na. Ayan guys, yung pinsan nilang ikakasal yung nakasuot ng itong parang tawag dito, parang sultan. Ayan siya, ayan ang ikakasal. Ayan, nagsasayaw na yung mga girls. Lahat yung paikot-ikot sila na kapit kamay, tapos magsayaw-sayaw. Ayan, tingnan ninyo. Medyo ganito ang tradisyon nila guys pag ikakasal sila. meron din pala silang belly dancer na ini-hired. Ayan, ang galing niya ring sumayaw. Para naman ako ang mahihilo dito sa sayaw neto. Ikot-ikot. Pero alam nyo guys, nakakatuwa talaga yung ano nila, henna night party nila. Gusto ko rin sana gawin yan someday. Tingnan ko lang kung hanggang saan makaya nating sumayaw buong gabi. Ayan. Sexy pa ng nagbe-belly dancer. Tapos na sumayaw ang ating belly dancer. Ayan, sasayaw na sila kasama yung ikakasal yung bride. So, ayan, habang na sumasayaw sila guys, yung mga tao na nandito sa sa party na to, magbibigay sila ng pera or something, magsasabit sila ng pera sa bride o kaya dito sa sumasayaw na sa belly dancer. Pwede silang magbigay ng pera. Ayan, si Tatang, ay sure. ayan. So, tingnan nyo guys, nagbigay siya ng pera doon, nagsabit siya ng pera doon sa bra ng sumasayaw ng belly dancer, tapos dito din sa ikakasal. Ayan, ganito guys ang tradisyon nila. If may sumasayaw na ganito, ayan, sasabitan nila ng pera. So, pati yung guys, yung nagda-drum, bibigyan din nila ng pera. Ayan siya. Ayan, depende sa you guys. Kung magbigay ka, kunyari ako, kung may pera ako, ayan, sasabit din ako doon kung gusto mo. Pero if wala kang pera or hindi naman siya na talagang magbigay ka talaga. So, ayan guys, kahit yung bride, nagbigay din ng pera sa belly dancer. And so, parang lang siya, yung saya-saya lang ba, no? So guys, me and my husband wanted to dance in the dance floor. Ayan, so makikita ninyo guys, ayan, kakarating lang namin ng dance floor at tamang-tama din talaga na ang music ay namatay. My gosh! Kaya naman tong music na to, pinatayan kami. Better luck next time na lang, iha, ha? Sa susunod, maaga-aga kang pumunta. Huwag yung patapos ang music. O, sige lang. Gora pa rin. Ayan. So, ayan guys, wala na. Isang music lang talaga yung sa sweet music nila. Dapat sinundan pa nila ba? Ayan, wala na. Kaya yung di tuloy kami nakasayaw ng asawa ko. 1 seconds lang kami, pinataya na kami ng music. Better luck next time na lang talaga. Sometimes I wonder why you keep talking like you don't give a fuck about me. You've got a after ng sweet music, nagsisimula na naman silang sumayaw. So, mahaba-habang sayawan na naman ito ng bride at ng couple. Ayan, so ganito lagi guys yung sayaw nila. This is all what you can see, everything na sayaw nila. Kapit kamay, tayong lahat. Parang ganun. Ayan, so pero maganda rin, no? O, tingnan mo. O, tapos may nagda-drum sa gitna. Yung nagda-drum niyan, yung parang kamag-anak din nila. Tapos, yung drum na yan, guys, sasabitan nila ng pera. Ayan. So, ayan. Pupunta yung bride dito sa kanyang, groom. Ayan. Magkatabi sila. Yung may green na nakaano yun ang groom niya. So, tapos itong sister-in-law ko naka-black kasama itong pinsan niyang naka-orange. Ayan. Tapos magpinsan sila nito ng bride. So, tapos itong sa side ng lalaki, itong mga nakabalot, yung may mga takip sa ulo, yung parang talaga silang Muslim. Mga tawag dito, mga balot na Muslim. And babe, we're not just friends, are we more than friends? We just have a man, don't you? You think I'm stone cold, tripping, man, I'm sick of being teased. I just wanna belong, yeah. Don't lie to me, no, no, don't lie to me, don't lie to me, don't lie to me, no, no, don't lie to me, no, no, don't lie to me, no. She moves like a dancing queen. She's attending for wish and all this under my eyes. Please, babe, don't make that move with your eyes. Shut the past is past, but my love still doesn't go away. Don't lie to me about your dreams, about falling in love. What makes you happy is what makes you drown. But what you want and what makes you bad. I'm giving a chance to make things right, but just be honest for once in a while. It was a part of a silly joke. Well, isn't fun, you can stand no more. Don't lie to me, don't lie to me about your dreams, about falling in love. What makes you happy is what makes you drown. But what you want and what makes you bad. I'm giving a chance to make things right, but just be honest for once in a while. It was a part of a silly joke. Well, isn't fun, you can stand no more. Don't lie to me, don't lie to me about your chance, about falling in love. What makes you happy is what makes you drown. But what you want and what makes you bad. And give me a chance to make things right, but just be honest for once in a while. It was a part of a silly joke. Well, isn't fun, you can stand no more. So, si mother-in-law, sumayaw, ayan, napapaindak siya sa tugtog dahil paborito niya ang music. At least masaya kami guys na nakita namin siyang sumayaw kaysa naman lagi na lang siya nakaupo. So, ayan, masaya kami na ganyan siya ngayon, ganyan siya ngayong gabi. So, hanggang sa pupunta siya pa doon talaga sa gitna at doon siya sasayaw. Ayan guys, nahilo na siya. Hindi siya tagal na nakatayo. Lagi siyang nahihilo. So, ayan, buti na lang ay may malapit namang upuan dyan sa, sa bridal chair. So, dyan muna siya. At itong party na to ay patapos na, guys. Ayan, thank you so much sa inyong pag-support sa aking video. Ayan, at sana ay meron kayong idea about dito sa henna night party dito sa Turkey. I hope, guys, you learn about the traditional wedding or henna night party ng mga Turkish. Ayan, so I hope that you will keep supporting my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the like button and the notification bell so that updated kayo sa aking mga susunod na videos. And I'll be keep sharing you about Turkish visa and the Turkish culture. Ayan, thank you so much and see you in my next vlog. So, party is done and it's time to go home and take a rest. And see you guys in our next vlog. Thank you so much for watching.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.